Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss Agha Shahid Ali's one of the most anthologized poems, Postcard from Kashmir. Before we begin with the poem, let's know a bit about the poet, since his poems are mostly personal. So it is very important to know a bit about the poet. So he was born on February 4th, 1949 to a renowned Kashmiri family of educationists. Now you should know that his father, his grandmother, they were all educationists. They were pretty educated and secular family. Agha Shahid Ali was a Kashmiri American poet. He was born in Delhi, raised in Kashmir, and lived the later part of his life in the United States. He graduated in Bachelor of Arts from University of Kashmir, studied Masters in English at University of Delhi. Then finally he immigrated to the United States in 1975 and earned his PhD in English at Pennsylvania State University in 1984 and MFA at Arizona State University in 1985. Ali battled with brain tumor and breathed his last on December 8, 2001 in Amherst, USA. Now you should also know that Ali's mother died of the same condition. Few years before Ali's mother also had a condition of a brain tumor, due to which she left Ali alone in this big world. And some of the poems he has written in memory of his mother also. It was in United States where he flourished as a poet, as an English poet. It was there he introduced a new form of ghazal and marsiya in English poetry. Alright, now we all know that that ghazal is one of the forms of writing poems in Urdu literature. So what Ali did, he actually wrote ghazals in English. So that is what made him popular in USA. So the poets fraternity in US welcomed and accepted Shahid for his novel contribution in English poetry. Ali's poetic journey is symptomatic, is suggestive of his personal journey. His poems seem to be his personal endeavor to reflect his uprootedness from his homeland, and through his poems Ali seems to cope up with his condition of exile. Now let's take a look at some of his major collections: The Half-Inch Himalayas, A Walk Through the Yellow Pages, A Nostalgic Map of America, The Beloved Witness, and so on and so forth. So next, now as I told you, his poems were very personal. Most of his poems had a personal undertone. So according to Bruce King, many of Ali's poems are autobiographical and concern his explorations of origins, his condition of exile, or his evolution and life as a poet. There is an undercurrent of sense of exile, loss of homeland, and nostalgia in his poetry. Memory often becomes instrumental in reflecting Ali's pining for his homeland. Okay, as you could get the idea about the themes in Ali's poetry, we know that, as I told you, he spent the later part of his life in USA. And while staying in USA, he would know about Kashmir through the postcards that his friends and family members used to send him. And although he was thriving in US and he was accepted by the people of US, then too there was a sense of exile. There was a deep-rooted sense of exile in Shahid's consciousness. So mostly in his poems he wrote about his homeland, his Kashmir, and in those poems you would see there is an undertone of nostalgia. You know, he's missing his homeland and he's longing to go back to his homeland. He's praising his homeland, and then he's also talking about the condition of his homeland and the present scenario of his homeland, that is Kashmir. So Kashmir becomes one of the major, it is a central theme in most of his poetry, that we get the idea from his writings. So next, let's read a bit about the poem. The poem Postcard from Kashmir appeared in his collection, The Half-Inch Himalayas.